We done came a long way with this movement. Big ups to all the dispensaries out there today. Big ups to all the growers. Big ups to all the freedom fighters, the frontliners that really got in the trenches and made this thing happen, y'all.
Big up to all the trimmers for making the buds look great.
The trimmers, where you at?
Big up to all the bud tenders, man.
All the bud tenders, we need them.
Hey, I just want to say something.
What's up, dog?
Okay, so when we first started this off, man, it was just one place in the whole United States where you could just go legally and smoke. And it was the world-famous Cannabis Cafe. Y'all give it up for Melon and Senior Martinez. Because right now, all the work that the Hemp and Cannabis Foundation done, all the CRRH done, all the Oregon Normal, Portland, Oregon Hempworks done allowed us to have a whole bunch of these places. We got weed legal here, but we got to continue to fight for the legalization so we can end this mass incarceration and this prohibition and this war on our people.
Yes. Can I get an amen?
Yeah.
We want y'all to sing the words of this song because I know everybody done woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
Yes.
Everybody might have went through a little something, but this is one of them songs where you just feel like smoking. And it is off that new Potlandia album, so if you like it, hop online and download it, all right? Sing it with us, y'all.
Said I feel like smoking.
Where my weed smokers at? Come on.
Said I feel like smoking.
Some of that good weed, yeah. Some of that big trees. Let's go. Put your hands together.
I feel like smoking.
Come on, Pioneer Square. Put something in the air.
Say
Around the world.
I feel like smoking.
Yeah. Feel like smoking. I feel like smoking.
I got neck pain, back pain, migraine, headache.
When they come to medicating,
J Mack goes heavy.
ready, get set, roll one up. I'm in the yard watching all my little girls grow up. They ain't got flowers in their hair. She got hair in her flowers. She just grew 2 inches.
In the last 8 hours.
Miss Mary Jane, that's my favorite senorita. Green thumb, getting greener, pineapple getting sweeter. You won't find us at the pharmacy. I'm at the cafe, baby, where the farmers be.
Yeah.
They say your boys got their favorite ones. I got a lot of different strains growing under the sun. Under the sun, under the sun. I got a lot of different strains growing under the sun. I got blackberry, blueberry,
Strawberry kush.
I got a stupid ass plant that I call George Bush. Come on, sing it, y'all.
Feel like smoking.
Put trees in the wind, smoking big with my friends.
Say
Come on, y'all.
I feel like smoking.
With all my friends,
Y'all do it again.
put something in the wind.
Say
Sing it.
I feel like smoking.
With all my friends, put something in the wind.
Say I feel like smoking.
Some of that good weed, yeah. Some of them big trees, baby.
Sunday night Medford party at the Gypsy.
Yeah.
We on top of Jocelyn,
Joe,
Joe,
Keith, and Chris, yeah.
Always kinda poppin' and people kinda tipsy. Karaoke Tori,
Hug me like she missed me. Ate a little, drink a little conversation.
had a couple bros
And a couple new patients.
Chickens had the sticky and he said
I should taste it.
If they had
Never been pineapple wasted.
Not yet, but I'm
Ready to try it. That nothing looks like I'ma like it. Smells like something extra exotic.
What else you got there in your pocket? Joints rolled up that
Look like perfection. We both turned and looked at the exit.
Yes, that's what I
Kinda expected. Now every time I come to Memphis,
I feel like smoking.
some of that good weed, yeah. Some of the big trees, baby.
Say I feel like smoking.
I feel like smoking. I feel like smoking, baby.
Say
It smell good out there,
I
Pilot.
feel like smoking.
Put something in the wind, yeah, with all my friends.
Say I feel like smoking.
At Pioneer Square, yeah, put it in the air.
I say ain't nothing wrong
With a little bit of twist,
Something for your rapper with a
little bit of this.
You can use some patches or
You can use my bit, it really don't matter just as long as they get lit.
Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of twist.
Nothing for your rapper with a little bit of this.
You can use some matches or
You can use my big, it really don't matter. Everybody let's smoke. Fire up and let it blow. One time for your foes. Fire up your best smoke, 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 smoke. Fire up and let it blow. One time for your foes. Fire up your best smoke, smoke, smoke. I said, sing it with us. I feel like smoking. Some of that pot and weed, yeah. Some of them big old trees. Said, what? I feel like smoking. With all my friends, putting something in the wind. Said, I feel like smoking. Mack and Dub, y'all in the smoking section. Come on. Say, I feel like smoking. With all my friends, put something in the wind again. Say, I feel like smoking. The smoking section remix. Come on. I feel like smoking. Ladies and gentlemen, come on now. Make some noise for yourselves today.